And then when you get there, your doctor says to you, I'm so happy that you are still with us. However, we weren't able to save your limbs. And you've just become one of the 2 million people. Go too fast. You have to make
I think the slide thing's going too slow, but anyway.
so you have to make all sorts of changes in your life. Everything about your life is now transformed. And you become one of the 2 million people that live in the U.S. without a limb. You are part of the 75,000 people every year in the U.S. who lose a limb, and one of the 500 million people in our world that live without a limb. Now, I'm going to ask you to imagine again, what if your doctor said, I'm sorry, you lost your limbs, but we were able to implant something in you, and the situation is temporary because we're going to allow you to regrow what you just lost. So we did imagine this, and we also asked ourselves critical questions like, how come you can get a paper cut, and not only do you not scar from a paper cut, but you don't even scab? Why does that heal so easily, but yet these large traumas take a different route? So we asked ourselves, why couldn't every wound that we face end up like a paper cut? So what we did is we came up with a solution. We have a bioelectrical mechanical device that will be surgically implanted in someone who has either lost a limb or has lost part of a limb, and it'll be infused into the body. And as it does its job, it will shrink in size so that the body can heal in very small motions, just like it was a small fracture or a small cut, and just shrink away into nothing. It's a lot better than a lot of alternatives, like the Taylor spatial frame has been around for 50 to 60 years, really, or its predecessor, the Argonaut frame, where you really have to have something both above and below. There's a lot of things that come outside the body that add to risk of infection, and it can be really complicated for either the doctor that's overseeing the treatment or the patient who has to move screws at a certain pattern and know what the growth rate of that individual really is in order to come. Ours will be able to detect that and behave autonomously to handle all of those corrections. So I'm going to ask you to imagine one last time if you would like to be part of our team to help us make this come the way it needs to go. Because what we need is some prototyping space, and we need some money for our prototyping materials to be able to get into clinical trials. Right now we have some strategic partnerships planned. We're going to go into the M2D2 Center. Also, Charles Over Labs has a very nice program for getting animals in order to do testing. There's the UMass Medical Center that will help us with clinical trials, and also heavily rely on the Angel Network in order to get our start funding. So I hope that you would like to join us to heal with the difference as we try to use BoneEx to turn every wound into a paper cut. That's all.
Thank you. Florida question.